we have unemployment rate of 1.79%. High growth rate or the number of employed persons for the region compared to NIR. So for the NIR is we have negative on the employment growth rate. So with the new creation, maraming na-employed po. Ang employment growth natin is mataas compared to NIR.
To clarify lang, no, what RD says that with the old Region 6, the expected growth rate of 2024 employment of the old Region 6 is 0.5% only. But now with the new NIR, removing Negros Occidental and Bacolod City, the growth rate of the number of employed person in Region 6 is 1.8%. So it's higher because in the Negros Occidental and Bacolod, they have a negative growth rate in terms of the total number of employees, which yung nag-pull down doon sa old Region 6. Pero ngayon, nawala na yung Negros Occ and Bacolod, somehow nag-higher yung employment growth rate natin sa region. Thank you.
Thank you.